This 200-foot YAMATIC 3/8-inch pressure washer hose gives you a huge working radius, which is especially helpful for cleaning large driveways, decks, and commercial areas without constantly moving the machine. Its industrial-grade rubber construction and steel braided reinforcement feel very solid in hand and are built to handle demanding cleaning jobs with high-pressure gas-powered washers. The hose is rated for 4,000 pounds per square inch working pressure and is compatible with many popular residential and commercial pressure washer brands, so it works well as an upgrade or replacement line. A swivel quick connect fitting on one end helps the hose resist kinking and twisting, making it noticeably easier to manage during long sessions. The 3/8-inch inner diameter supports strong water flow, which translates into faster cleaning and better efficiency on stubborn grime. Heat-resistant materials allow it to handle both cold and hot water up to typical pressure washer temperatures, so it is versatile enough for everything from vehicle washing to heavy-duty surface cleaning.